So we can go to Logo Maker, that's LOGOMAKR without the E.com, where we always make our logos. Click in the gray space, and then I always like searching a graphic. You can always make something unique because they have over 1 million of them. And palm tree usually works well for me, but you can literally search anything like car or baseball or couch or whatever. And I want an icon where the logo is separated a little bit in its design so I can put in 2 colors and it's not just one consistent image. So I'm going to try this guy right here. And again, this is just a demo logo, so you can probably make a better logo. Now we're going to hit T for some text and just write in C and G. And we're going to move it to the top and hit text again in case we want to make a different font. We have another text block and write shopping. Cool. So we can just position and drag a little bit, and you can see like maybe the C and G could be the big one and then the shopping could be beneath it. Probably not under it, but just like beneath it. Alright, and we can line it up with the little helper lines. Bring shopping in a little bit. Beautiful. Alright, then we're going to get to changing the colors. So we're going to open up our text editor where we have our color palette. We labeled them with orange and the pink because it's hard to read just the letters and numbers. Now we're going to copy the orange without the hash brown sign, just the letters and numbers. Come up to the color wheel up here and make sure you're selected on the text you want to change the color of. And then just double click on the hex and then paste it over. Beautiful. And then we can do the same for shopping. So open the text editor, double click on the pink and copy, and come back to the hex and paste it over. Nailed it. If you want to change part of the image, you can just click on the paint bucket and then you'll be changing it to whatever color is selected here, and then you can just click on top of it. How cool is that? Alright, nice guys. Alright, to change the font, we can just click into the text again, and that might open up some new text, so we're going to delete. But we mainly want to get our arrow back. So now we can click on the CNG, change it from a font category maybe to fancy and cursive, and then change it to the different font we might want. And there's Pacifico, so we can be super consistent to our brand. Alright, and then move it to the left. We gotta center things again because Pacifico made it a little smaller. Alright, I'm gonna make shopping a little smaller too. And beautiful. So once your logo is ready, we just need to hit the crop button in the lower right and then pull in the white space if it didn't get it perfectly. And then hit enter. And then we're gonna save it in the upper right. We're gonna hit no thanks because we don't want to pay anything right now, but you do need to give credit to Logo Maker, so make sure you do that, and they'll have instructions for you on that previous page. Then just name it, so SG e-commerce, logo version 1, and save it. Beautiful. Now to publish your new logo, let's go back to WordPress and click Customize. And we're gonna hit Header, because that's where logo lives, and then we're gonna click Remove and select Logo. Select Files to find our logo on our computer. And there she is. So just select and open. And we're going to select it and skip cropping. And now we have a new logo. If you want to make it a little bigger, you can play with the max width and max height. Just keep in mind that then you'll actually have to choose on a size. And so it's not an amazing logo, but I bet you can build a better one. Alright, and we'll publish.